Hey everybody, it's Michael. I'm just a poor boy. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Today is officially March 26th. It's actually about 12:30 at night, so just past midnight. So it is the 26th, and I was looking and I was like, oh wow, I started my channel on February 26th. So it has now been a month since I've been on YouTube. I want to thank my subscribers so far. I'm really happy that I've hit some milestones. I've got 700 views now, so even though I'm not focusing on that part of YouTube so much, I really enjoy making the videos and sharing them with you. One of the things about having a successful YouTube channel, one of the pieces of advice they give you is to have a regular posting schedule. And when I first started, I didn't think about this, but on average, I've been trying to do a Tuesday, a Thursday, and a Saturday is kind of what I've been aiming for. I haven't, announced that schedule yet, but that's what I've been going for. You may recognize, though, that it's now Friday when I'm making this, and Tuesday and Thursday I didn't post a video this week. Because I've just started this, life is sometimes getting in the way, and I've had a very busy week spearheading a very successful fundraiser for a friend of mine, so I'm very happy about that, but I feel like I'm now kind of behind in my YouTube duties. However, I'm just about to film a quick tutorial, and tonight I'm also going to pour a new, smaller piece, a swipe piece. So it's not that I have given up or it's like, what happened? I'll be back, I promise. And I'm going to catch up, and next week we'll be back on schedule again. But I did have a couple of friends say, hey, I'm used to you having videos. What's happening? And that's all that's happening. So I want to thank you guys so much. I'm going to be doing tonight a quick tutorial video, and I'll be doing a swipe pour later, and I'll post those this week. I've got some custom assignments coming up, and I'll be sharing those with you. And of course, all of my long beginning to end pours, my start to art pours, and my time-lapse pieces will all be coming. So thank you very much for your patience. I just wanted to give you this update so you don't think I've disappeared. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.